I'm Jamie Helm. I am owner of Wicked Wrench Company in South Elgin, Illinois. Bosch spark plugs are my go-to. I am constantly recommending Bosch spark plugs to my everyday customer. I had a customer the other day come in with a high-performance vehicle wanting to tune up new spark plugs without sacrificing performance, and it's going to give them the best bang for their buck. I recommended Bosch double Iridium spark plugs because they feature Iridium on both center and ground electrodes. These spark plugs are great for advanced engines with high spark current such as GDI and turbocharged engines. They also have high precious metal content and 4 times longer service life compared to copper plugs. They've got increased durability, a higher heat threshold, they're pre-gapped, they don't require anti-seize, and the torque specs are right on the box. Installation doesn't get easier than that.